Hey, Robert Kiefer here with HydroHero. I'm down in a crawl space in Rehoboth, and I want to show you why it's really important to understand the contractor that you hire, because you will probably be pretty amazed if I show you what I'm about to here and you decided to actually use this contractor to handle your drainage problems. Let me flip this camera around. Here we go. So this here is a geotextile pipe, usually referred to as J-drain. It's more of a brand name, but this is the drainage system that this company has installed. This is all the thicker it is. It's just this right here, and it's just dug into the dirt, easy to clog, and it's really not doing much for the water that's been in this crawl space. You can see it's gone all the way down and around. That's it exposed. Just this thin little thing. So there's no stone aggregate or anything around it. This is not a proper French drain. This is just the weakest way you could possibly do that. So before you hire a contractor to take care of your crawl space waterproofing problems, give HydroHero a call at 302-321-7077 and let us explain to you what a real waterproofing drainage system looks like, and not some cheap thing like this that you probably got charged an arm and a leg and it's just going to end up clogging. That's all I got for now. Thanks so much for watching, and for more information, find us on the web at hydrohero.com.